how do I choose and add the right keywords when creating an Amazon ad campaign. It's not so much about the right keywords or the wrong keywords. It's about if you already have data for your campaigns, would you be listening to the data that's coming back from Amazon or would you not? That's the way I like to put it. And the reason why I'm putting it that way is because what we are seeing on our end, if you're not going to listen to whatever the search report says, then you might be pushing for keywords that are not converting or at all, never converted for you. So all these that are negative, and or can be keywords that you're just not maximizing, especially when it comes down to the placements that you're going to showcase these ones. And when it comes down to choosing the right keywords, I think I would step back for clarity and I would ask you, yes, I understand that you want to choose the best keywords, but are we choosing these keywords based on, do we have one particular budget in mind that we are like, hey, right now I want to rank for these specific keywords. Can I even afford that? And the reason why I'm answering you that way is because what we saw on our end, again, this is from a story from a different brand that we managed a while back. They were selling successfully for particular keywords 2 years ago. But then what we did on our end is when we started, again, these ranking campaigns for them, we got back feedback loop data on those 5 keywords that previously worked for them. It did not work anymore because the competitors picked up. So here my question to you is that when you're asking right keywords, you are also assuming that those keywords previously you converted on or not. And why is that important to know is because when it comes down to creating new campaigns, if you're going to create new campaigns, even if the keywords are correct, you're not going to get the same result as you got 2-3 years ago when competition was smaller, when the landfill, it looked differently on Amazon. So really it comes down to 1, search the best keywords that are describing your product, use your search term reports for that. And then 2nd, look if with those keywords, you're not receiving the same amount of volume, the sales that you did maybe 1-2 years ago. Look into, for those keywords, your competitors. What is your main image? Very most important thing, because if their main image is way better describing the product than your main image, already you're losing. So those are the first things. I would not anymore ask what are the right keywords. I would do a research on the keywords, see how does my product looks like when compared to those competitors, and then should I even be considering bidding on those keywords.